Welcome, and thank you for joining this journey of attunement to the winter season, a time when nature draws inward and the energy of the water element surrounds us, according to traditional Chinese medicine. Take a moment to settle into your space. You may like to familiarize yourself with the scent of winter that features during this journey by spritzing some cedarwood meditation mist into the air around you. You might also like to roll on a little cedarwood pulse point oil into your wrists, rub them together and then hold them under your nose, taking 3 deep breaths. Now find a comfortable and relaxed lying position with your body fully supported, and if you like, you may hold or imagine 2 small lapis lazuli crystals, one in each hand, which will help further attune you to the energies of the water element. When you begin to hear the sounds of the singing bowls and my voice, it is then you know you can relax and feel safe. If you like, you may close your eyes or put on a comforting eye mask. Remember, you always have the choice. You decide if you would like to follow my voice and what it might awaken in you, or whether you might like to drift along on your own journey with the sounds. As you lie comfortably, become aware of the winter environment around you. The sun low in the sky, frost sparkling on branches, and the earth resting beneath a blanket of stillness. All is quiet, in harmony with the profundity and wisdom of this season. I invite you to relax into the awareness of your body, starting at your toes, your feet, your ankles. Be aware of your lower legs, your knees, your thighs and your pelvis. Be aware of your abdomen, your chest, your back, your shoulders, your hands, your arms. Be aware of your face, your neck and your head. Be aware of your whole body, becoming more present, more connected to the earth beneath you. Begin to tune into your breath now and feel the movement of breath in your body, focusing on softly slowing and deepening your breath. As you breathe in through your nose, if you can, notice your abdomen gently expand. And as you breathe out through your nose, everything relaxes back in around the abdomen. As you breathe in, expand your awareness to feel both your abdomen and your ribs expand. And as you breathe out, feel everything relax back inwards. With each easy breath, this gentle expansion and contraction stimulates every cell of your body. Your nerves, your blood flow, helping your energy to circulate. Imagine yourself walking along a crystalline lapis lazuli path. The vivid celestial blue of the stone sparkles beneath your feet, reflecting to you the calm, depth and renewal of the water element. Feel invited inward to rekindle your self-awareness, guided by this path as it winds through a magnificent cedarwood forest. And you notice the crunch of a sprinkling of snow underfoot. The river beside you flows gently, and its surface mirrors the soft winter sky. This flowing water reminds you of your own inner fluidity and a sense of your destiny expressing itself unobtrusively. No conscious effort is required here. Ahead, you see a majestic cedarwood tree. Its strong, tall trunk radiates a quiet strength, and its branches are layered with deep green foliage and provide a safe and comforting canopy. You rest on a soft hammock seat that hangs beneath this ancient being, inhaling the sublime aroma of cedarwood, warm, sweet and woody. As you breathe in this scent, feel it nourishing the fluid yin energy of your kidneys. It grounds you, bringing you a sense of calm and strength, and lifting any notion of fatigue. You feel safe and supported, ready to connect deeply with the wisdom of winter. Here in the stillness of winter, allow yourself to reflect. What has this last year brought you? What have you learned? Just like the earth resting beneath you, allow yourself to rest and honour the completion of another cycle. Now gently place your hands with your crystals on the midline of your lower abdomen, about a hand's width below your belly button. This is the acupoint known as Ren 4, the gate of origin. You may like to simply visualize the crystal's celestial blue energy radiating through your body. As you breathe deeply, imagine healing energy entering this point, connecting you to what is known as the womb of all creation, feeling as though the point is opening and closing gently, like a gate, allowing in just the right amount of nourishment to protect and conserve your energy. Ren 4 roots your energy, warming your lower abdomen and nourishes your inner essence. It houses clarity, inspiration, and a profound sense of purpose. With each breath, you replenish your deep reserves, bringing peace and harmony to your entire being. Now, imagine yourself continuing along the lapis lazuli path, following the river as it flows. The water is clear and still in some places, rushing in others, reminding you of the wisdom of fluidity. A healthy water element within you allows you to flow with life, adapting to changes and challenges. The water reflects your inner knowing, helping you assess risks and recognize safety. It soothes any fear or scattered thinking, replacing it with reassurance and trust. Like the river, you are strong and capable of moving through life with grace and wisdom. As you walk, take a moment to appreciate the water element within you. Qualities of inner knowing, gifted ability, willpower, and perseverance. Reflect on how your kidneys preserve your deeply banked constitutional reserves whilst providing the vital energy and warmth you need to sustain your life and purpose. Now, repeat the following mantra 3 times in your mind and feel it in your body. My kidneys preserve vital warmth my life deserves, energy to serve. My kidneys preserve vital warmth my life deserves, energy to serve. My kidneys preserve vital warmth my life deserves, energy to serve. There will now be 3 minutes of quiet. Turning to the great cedarwood tree, you take a seat once more beneath its protective branches. Inhale deeply, allowing the sweet and woody aroma to calm your mind and body. The cedarwood supports your kidneys, grounding you and giving you the strength to persevere. It nurtures what's known as your Z, the will that quietly drives you forward, reminding you of your destiny and purpose. You become aware that it will soon be time to leave this place. But remember, you can return to your cedarwood tree along the lapis lazuli path and access all that you have experienced here at any time you like. And acknowledge to yourself that you have found a great ability to absorb exactly what you are in need of today. Slowly, you get up from beneath the tree and walk back down the shimmering, crystalline path and back to lying where you are now. Before we fully awaken from this journey, take a moment to thank yourself for taking this time to rest and reflect. Winter teaches us that stillness and preservation are necessary for growth. Allow these qualities to remain with you in the days and weeks to come, carrying the peace and quietude of winter with you. May the wisdom of the water element guide you through the season with grace and serenity. Slowly bring your awareness back to the room, wiggling your fingers and toes, and when you feel ready, open your eyes. Thank you for sharing this journey.